Hi, Rudy Reyes with Boulevard Cadillac Buick GMC. Every 2 or 3 months, a couple of things you want to check in your car would be battery corrosion. Check the wiper fluid to see, make sure you had enough wiper fluid in there. Check the coolant level, check the brake level, and you also want to check the oil level. Checking your oil here, you have to pull the dipstick. The monitor in the vehicle does not give you the oil level. You have to check to make sure the oil level in the engine is correct. The oil cap to fill is right next to the oil dipstick. You want to keep an eye on your tires. You want the longest life of the tires as possible, keeping the air filled to the correct levels. And normally you can find that opening the driver's door, and you can see the little sticker there that gives you the pressure, what these tires need to be leveled at. If you find any issues with your vehicle and need to make an appointment, you can call us here at the dealership, 562-595-6076. Make an appointment and bring your car in and tell us what's wrong with it. We're happy to see you, even if you just want to find out something about your vehicle that you're not aware of. Thank you, here from Boulevard Cadillac Buick GMC. We'll be waiting for your call.